this video, this masterpiece of a video that I made is just, that's what got me to have my 20 subscribers right here. That extra sub that I needed. So now that I have 20 subs, I'm going to be attempting Rap God. Sumalama Dumalama, you assume I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it through. I'm super human, innovative, I'm in a rubber, so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me. I'm devastating, will never devastating, gotta get 'em. Audience are feeling like it's levitating, never fading, and no the haters if I ever waiting for that they can say I fell out there celebrating, cause another way to get them motivated. I'm elevating music, elevating music. Oh, he's too mainstream. Well, that's what they do when they get jealous, they confuse it. It's not hip-hop, it's pop, cause I found a way to fuse it with rock, shock rap, with dark. Don't lose yourself and make them lose it. Anyway, thank you, that extra subscriber that I needed to get to 20.